So you've forgotten a password and need to find it fast? Don't worry, your Google account has probably been keeping track of it for you. Here's exactly how to view those saved passwords right from your phone. First things first, open up the Chrome app. Just make sure you're already signed into the Google account you're looking for. From the home screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner and then head down into Settings. Once you're in there, scroll down a bit until you see Google Password Manager. Tap that and you'll see a full list of every login you've ever saved to this account. Now, if you realize you're in the wrong account, no big deal. Just tap your profile icon at the top right, hit the drop down menu, and switch to the right one. When you find the site you're looking for this example, we'll just look at example.com. Go ahead and tap it. You'll need to verify it's you with your fingerprint or passcode first. Once you're in, you'll see your username and a hidden password. To actually see those characters, just tap the eye icon. From here, you've got full control. You can use the edit or delete buttons if you need to update things, or even hit share if you need to send it to a trusted device. And that's it. Your passwords are right there whenever you need them. If you are looking to lock down your account even further, definitely check out my other video on privacy and security settings. I'll see you over there.